Hi there, everybody. David Ron, North American Sales Manager for Alcons Audio. We're here at CEDIA 2023 in Denver, Colorado, where we're showcasing our cinema reference monitor systems in our sound room number 9. Wonderful opportunity for people to come and listen to the Alcons Pro Ribbon technology. We have several partners with us at this show. We have our premier dealer out of Florida, Absolute Ultimate AV, providing the Christie Griffin projector. We're partnering as well with Trinov with the audio processing, MadVR for video processing, and DreamScreen for our projection screen system as well. A great showcase. The room is using an 11.x.6 Dolby Atmos capable system, playing a variety of different tracks in there for all of our visitors, dealers, designers, etc. If you'd like more information about Alcons audio systems, please visit our website. That's www.alconsaudio.com. Thanks very much.